sa bawat isa.
Namimiss ko may kalapit. Kundi, ay, hindi na pala ako papaalam. Sure.
Saglit, mayakap ka. Ika'y
Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Parang enjoy na enjoy ako, ganun. Piolo Pascual, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a seat with me.
That was nice,
Yeah,
thank
ang
you.
nickname ni Piolo really is PJ,
PJ.
diba? Everyone calls you PJ. Anong
Yes.
feeling, Piolo, na Piolo Pascual ka na, award-winning actor ka na, you're one of the pinaka-sikat ngayon na mga artista.
Of course, I'm really grateful to the Lord dahil nga sa blessings na binibigay niya. And doon sa mga tao, because nakikita mo, no, through the years, akala mo sa start lang ma-appreciate ka. But, you know, through ups and downs, nandyan sila sumusuporta.
Kasi siguro rin mabait ka.
Thank you
Tsaka,
po.
mabait sa Diyos ito eh. Kaya mahal ka ng Diyos. Okay. Anong hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Ako, I'm all for simplicity.
Simplicity.
Gusto ko lang, napaka-importante sa akin that we share the same faith. Tsaka,
Yung pagka-born again na Christian.
it doesn't necessarily have to be, you know,
But you pray
being
to
a
the same
Christian.
God.
Of
Oo,
course.
oo.
Yung lang, grounded. Grounded siya, tsaka
Yung gusto mo, dapat same values, diba?
same values.
Sino naman ang mako-consider mo daw na simple? Sino-sino sa mga nakilala mo?
Mahirap eh.
Mahirap ba?
Mahirap eh, ganyan.
Kasi baka may mabanggit ka kasi hindi siya simple. Magtampo, gano'n.
Basta sa akin, simple, okay na ako. Pero ano,
Simple lang. Ito naman ang masasabi, alam mo ba, ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo about you. Let's watch this.
wow.
PJ is very supportive, responsible, and loving brother. Para ako naging mami sa kanya. Kasi nga, nung pumunta na sa States si mami, ako na lang yung nag-aalaga sa kanila. Sobrang nasasaktan ako pag may naririnig ako masama tungkol sa kanya. Siya naman mismo, sinasabi niya, ate, you cannot please everybody. Sabi niya gano'n. So, sanay na siya. Ako yung nasasaktan for him. Siya, okay na siya. Wish ko lang, huwag kang magbabago. Always be grounded. God knows na napakabait mong tao, kaya binibigyan ka niya ng magagandang blessing. Good luck and I hope you will be happy always. PJ, sobrang easy to please. Ang babaw-babaw na tao niyan. Para siyang bata lagi. Mas mababa pa yung age bracket niya sa 5 years old. Jay, thanks for everything that you have given us. Just the fact that you're there and you're leading a good example is enough for us to be really proud of you. You are the light of our lives. So good luck.
I want to be like you, Tito PJ. God will always bless you because you're good. You will win plenty of awards pa because you're a good actor. I hope you marry a princess because you're my prince. You are our Superman!
Naman! Anong masasabi mo doon? Naku,
I don't know.
they hope you marry a princess.
Oh, yes.
I'm praying that you will be very, very happy with your princess
Looking forward.
when she comes.
And when